got the noise, what do they call it, noise reduction carpet glued down. I've got to cut it to shape it, and then I've got all this vinyl. It's in the sun, so it'll loosen up a little bit, so it'll stretch a little better. But as soon as I get this cut in and carpet, I should put the carpet in. I got to figure out where my holes were, and then it'll be ready for the seats. And then, yeah, that's about it for now. I left this little hole open back here in the back because that's where my wires are going to run through from the box back there to here. It controls the lights and the fan. Alright, as soon as I have something else, I'll get with you. Alright, I've got the carpet in, got it cut, got the where the seats go, got the bolts holes cut out for it. Actually turned out pretty good. Now you can buy these online. They're like 160 bucks. You have to put them in the sun, let them heat up, let them relax, and stick them in there. And they'll get cold and they'll harden up. But you want to do a good job, it's well worth the money. All right, I've got her looking good. Let me show you the interior. I've got the interior done. Got the seats in. They're tan on black, so it matches the interior. Got the carpet done. It's just about, and then all I like is the wiring, and then I'll be done. Alright, this is Go Karts, Motorcycles, etc. signing out. The next project on this will be doing the electrical install of the lights. Other than that, should be done. Alright, see y'all in the next video. Later.